We've already shown you how to make biochar for improving your garden soil. We've also shared how to make a liquid fertilizer using green waste from the garden to give your plants the nutrients and microbes they need. But today, we're doing something even more exciting. We're going to combine these two powerful garden boosters into one supercharged liquid that doesn't just feed your plants, it transforms your soil too. It transforms. Trust me, this is going to change the way you do organic gardening. To get started, you'll need 2 buckets, each able to hold around 15 liters of water. In the first bucket, toss in some fresh green garden waste, anything like weeds, soft leaves, or leftover cover crops. These greens are full of life and nutrients. Now, to help break them down and kickstart the fermentation, add a handful of compost or even just some regular garden soil. Give everything a good mix, then fill the bucket with rainwater or any water that's free of chlorine. Stir again and loosely cover the top. Enough to let gases escape, but keep insects out. Now let's move to the second bucket. This one is for the biochar part. If you've had a bonfire recently, grab some of that leftover charcoal. Not the white ash, just the black, unburned stuff. Crush it as finely as you can. The smaller the pieces, the better it works in the soil. Once it's crushed, toss it into your second bucket. Again, add a handful of compost or soil to introduce microbes, then fill it with non-chlorinated water. Stir it well and cover loosely, just like the first one. Now, we wait. Let both buckets sit for at least 1 week, but we left ours for 15 days for stronger results. After that, the liquids should look darker and smell earthy. That's a good sign. It means the microbes have done their job, and your mix is full of plant-available nutrients and good bacteria. Now, there are 2 ways to use this. Get a clean container and combine equal amounts of liquid from both buckets. One part of this combined liquid with 8 parts of water, then use it to water your plants. It's great for regular feeding. Your plants will grow faster, stronger, and look greener. The biochar holds moisture and nutrients, while the microbes improve soil health and help your plants absorb more from the soil. The second method is to use it undiluted. Yes, the full-strength version. This works best when you're preparing a garden bed or giving tired soil a big boost. Start by spreading a layer of worm castings across your bed. Worm castings are a natural fertilizer packed with nutrients, beneficial microbes, and enzymes. They improve soil structure, help retain moisture, and support root development. Once you've added the castings, pour the undiluted liquid mix right on top. The microbes from the liquid will multiply fast in the moist environment, and the biochar will soak up nutrients, holding them right where plant roots need them. Over time, this mix builds soil fertility, improves drainage, and makes the soil softer and richer. What's happening here is powerful. You're not just feeding your plants, you're feeding the life in your soil. And that's the real secret to organic gardening. With regular use, this mix makes your soil darker, looser, and full of energy. Plants respond quickly because their roots find everything they need. nutrients, air, water, and microbes, all working together in harmony. This method is simple, cheap, and incredibly effective. You don't need to buy expensive store-bought fertilizers. Everything comes from your garden and a little effort on your part. Once you try it, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. If this helped you, be sure to check out more of our videos. We've shared many different natural fertilizers and organic sprays that you can make at home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your gardening friends. Your plants and your soil will thank you.